Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to unbox and review the best budget microphone for YouTubers. The microphone that I'll be reviewing today is the WR-800 condenser microphone from Wright. The box contains an external sound card, an XLR to 3.5mm cable, the mic, and a shock mount. Talking about sound quality, the sound for this video was recorded entirely on this microphone. This mic is an excellent choice for you if you are a YouTuber. Well, if you have any questions regarding this microphone, feel free to ask them down in the comments below. Well guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.